हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टेलर सीरीज। सो लेट एफ जेड be an analytic function, be a analytic function inside and on a simple closed curve C. It means the given function fz is analytic in this region R and on the boundary which is simple closed curve C, and if A and A plus H, these 2 points we have in the domain, so we can define f of A plus H equal to f of A plus H f dash A plus H square by 2 f double dash A plus S q by factorial 3 f triple differentiation A plus dot 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 plus f n A by factorial n and h power n. Since fz is analytic function, so the derivative of each order is possible. So this series is called Taylor series. Now let us have one small substitution. If A plus H equal to Z, so your H will be Z minus A. So this same series will be f of Z equal to f of A plus H equal to Z minus A. So Z minus A f dash A plus Z minus A whole square by factorial 2 f double dash A plus Z minus A whole cube by factorial 3 f triple differentiation and plus dot 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 Z minus A power n nth derivative of f by factorial n plus dot dot dot. So this theorem is called Taylor's theorem, and this series is called Taylor series about the point z equal to A. So this is your Taylor series about the point z equal to A. Now if the same series we have about the origin z equal to A equal to 0, if the series about the origin, so then we have f of A equal to 0, so f of z equal to, we'll have f of 0 plus z f dash 0 plus z square by factorial 2 f double dash 0 plus z cube by factorial 3 f triple differentiation at z equal to 0 dot dot dot, and nth term we can write z power n by factorial n nth derivative of f at z equal to 0. So this series is called Maclaurin series. The Taylor series about the origin is called the Maclaurin series. So if any function fz is analytic in a domain D bounded by the closed curve C, so we can write Taylor series about any point in the domain D. Let us see few examples for Taylor series expansion. So the question is expand fz equal to log 1 plus z in a Taylor series about the point z equal to 0. Okay, so fz equal to log 1 plus z, fine. Then what is the f0? f0 equal to log 1, that is 0, fine. F dash z, f dash equal to 1 upon 1 plus z, so f dash 0 equal to 1, and f double dash z equal to minus 1 plus z whole square, so f double dash 0 equal to minus 1, fine. Now f triple differentiation z equal to minus 1 into 2 by factorial, so this will be plus 1 plus z power q, so f triple differentiation 0 equal to factorial 2, fine. And similarly, if you go for next derivative, so it will get f4 derivative 0 equal to factorial 3. Now the Taylor series expansion about the origin, that is called the Maclaurin series, we can write f of z equal to f of 0 plus z f dash 0 plus z square by factorial 2 f double dash 0 plus z cube by factorial 3 f triple dash 0 plus dot dot dot. So f0 equal to 0 plus z f dash 0 equal to 1 minus z square by 2 and plus triple differentiation means factorial 2, so factorial 2 by factorial 3, so that will be 1 by 3 z cube. Similarly we get 1 upon 1 by 4 z power 4 plus dot dot dot. So your Maclaurin series of log 1 plus z will be z minus z square by 2 plus z cube by 3 plus z power 4 per 4 plus dot dot dot. So this is your Taylor series expansion of log 1 plus z about the point z equal to 0. Let us try the next problem. Expand fz equal to sin z in a Taylor series about the point z equal to pi by 4. So your Taylor series will be fz, I can write f of a, so f of a means f pi by 4, fine, plus z minus pi by 4 f dash pi by 4 plus z minus pi by 4 whole square by factorial 2 and f double dash pi by 4 plus z minus pi by 4 whole cube by factorial 3 f triple dash pi by 4 plus dot dot dot. So let us try to find out the f pi by 4, f dash pi by 4, f double dash pi by 4, f triple dash pi by 4. Okay, so now fz equal to sin z. So f pi by 4 equal to 1 upon root 2. So that you can write 2 by root 2. Fine. And f dash z equal to cos z. So f dash pi by 4 equal to cos pi by 4. Again 1 upon root 2. So we can write 2 upon root 2. Fine. Now f double dash z equal to minus sin z. So f double dash pi by 4 equal to minus 1 upon root 2. So we can write 2 upon 2 root 2. And let us have one more differentiation, third derivative. So it will be minus cos z. So third derivative pi by 4 equal to minus 1 upon root 2 equal to minus 2 upon root 2. So let us substitute this value. So we get fz equal to f pi by 4 means 2 upon root 2 plus z minus pi by 4, and f dash pi by 4 means 2 by root 2 plus z minus pi by 4 whole square by factorial 2, and f double dash pi by 2 means minus 2 upon root 2 again plus z minus pi by 4 whole cube by factorial 3 and minus 2 upon root 2 plus dot dot dot. So this is your Taylor series expansion of sin z about the point z equal to pi by 4. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.